So I'm really excited. I just fixed the sliding door in my 2011 Toyota Sienna minivan. I'm trying to run this thing into the ground, and I just didn't want to pay the $1,500 to $2,000 it's supposed to cost to fix this this door. The cable broke. I could see the broken cable on the outside of the door, and decided to replace it. I saw lots of stuff online, but I couldn't find something that made it as simple as it ended up to be. A couple of different things. One is to remove the interior panel. I was able to do everything without stripping out anything extra, which a lot of other great videos show online. I was able to do it without stripping out anything here. Just took the panel off the door. Make sure you have one of those panel removal tools. Just moved the seat up out of the way. I can't move this. I can't get the seat out of the track anymore, so I didn't have a choice. Couldn't remove it. Probably would have been easier if I could have done that. You can see right back there, I just had to disconnect the power switch for the window, and then the whole panel came away. There's one screw, and then everything else is just those pop out plastic push pins. When the cable breaks, this is the part. This is the part right here that actually replaces the whole thing. There's a pulley down here that attaches to the motor, and so this comes and the cable runs up through here, goes through the door, and then comes around here, and then you can see it runs along here. So one of the things you had to do was open up this back door or back window right here, and then, sorry, it's nighttime. There's a piece right here, so this piece kind of pop something under there to pull it out a little bit, and then slide it this way, and then there's just a single bolt. If you use I think it's an 8mm socket at the end of like an extension rod on an impact driver, you can get in there to get that out without having to remove the window or even cause it to be any danger. And then there's a bracket that the end of this cable hooks into, and then you just put the new piece in. This is most of the old piece here that had the broken cable in it, so that's now out, and the new piece is in. One particular source of trouble was this piece of trim here on the window, which you definitely have to remove. Realized I had to roll the window down, and then there's a little pin right there that you have to pull out. One of these little push things that has to be taken out in order to make that whole piece lift out, and the whole piece lifts out along with this weather stripping along the window. So start down at this end, pull this weather stripping up, and then this whole piece slides out. I'm not going to do it again because I finally got it all back together, but just wanted to make a video, try to make it seem as simple as possible. So this part that I got from OEM Parts Source, I found it online. It was $25, I think. So super inexpensive. It took me about an hour total of work. And I'm not a car person. I'll do anything to my house. I generally don't like cars, and it didn't take too long to figure this one out. Just get a couple of the right tools. One of these things to take the panel off. A couple of these plastic panel tools to work around that molding and get that off. And once you do that, you're all set to go. So good luck, and leave a comment if I can be of any help. I'll try to check when I can. Thanks. Bye.